go again? It's your girl D.
It's your boy Jay in the cut, you heard me.
In today's video, we are doing a woodland animal activity cookie kit. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are new, click on that bell, turn it on. So as you see, I had just got started with mine. And that's how hubby looks. So we're gonna, baby boy is in the background. So you guys, we're gonna do his right after we finish at least 2 of ours. So
we're gonna catch y'all back in the next clip as we get finished showing y'all the 2 of them.
Alright, peace y'all. Okay y'all, we back. So we going to do baby boy's animal decoration. Look. So this is when he has a little cute teddy bear, you guys. So we're gonna let him decorate it. Yay. It's a cute little fun activity that he can do. Eyes. Good job, bud. Yeah. So, baby boy did his eyes. So, we're going to use yellow. You say yellow. Yellow. Take it. Good job, bud. So, we're going to do a little smiley face. Good job, bud. And we're also going to use the white one. And let me go get that, y'all. So. But no. Put it on the nose. Good job. Good job, bud. Yay. Okay, y'all. We're going to catch y'all in the next clip once we're done decorating his cookie. This is what he has so far. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys. He's done with his cookie. Hubby was kind of sad at the same time as me. So, hubby, show him his little cookie.
So y'all, this is
his
cookie look like. Y'all, so little cookie.
Say yay! Y'all, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell so you guys can be notified when we post another video. Peace out.
And God bless y'all.